The UK spouse visa is a pathway for married partners to join or stay with their loved ones in the UK. It's important to know who can be a sponsor. The sponsor can be a British or an Irish citizen, whether they're living in the UK or returning to the UK with their partner, or have settled in the UK. For example, they have indefinite leave to remain, settled status, or proof of permanent residence. Or they can have pre-settled status under the EU settlement scheme, or have protection status, which means leave to remain as a refugee or a permission to stay as a refugee or a person with humanitarian protection. Now, once you've gathered all the relevant evidence, you can complete the online application, pay the government fee and the immigration health surcharge, and submit the application at your nearest visa application center.